This is the summary created from the video. Lecture 24, Intrapersonal Communication. Intrapersonal communication involves talking to oneself, forming the foundation of all communication behavior. Effective self-communication is necessary before communicating effectively with others, as it involves understanding oneself and developing crucial qualities for effective interactions. Self-esteem and self-confidence are vital for effective communication and interactions. Building self-esteem requires valuing ourselves and recognizing our worth before praising others. Developing confidence comes from positive self-talk and auto-suggestion, like "I can do it." The easiest person to deceive is oneself, as we often make promises but fail to keep them. Deceiving others requires preparation and consistency, but self-deception is more common. In daily interactions, we sometimes tell polite lies for the sake of formality, but truthfulness should generally be the norm. Intrapersonal communication involves evaluating and reacting to internal and external stimuli. External stimuli like smells, sounds, and visuals can trigger responses like hunger or involvement, while internal stimuli like fever, thirst, or hunger are communicated through nerves to the brain. Intrapersonal messages reflect our entire personality, encompassing emotions, values, beliefs, and attitudes. Knowing oneself and understanding the concept of self is crucial for meaningful living and simpler thinking. Emotional intelligence involves understanding and controlling both our own emotions and those of others. We should maintain our body through a healthy diet and exercise regimen. While first impressions are based on physical appearance, personality is more important. Communication behavior outweighs physical attributes like height or color, and a healthy body image promotes a well-adjusted personality. Our emotions trigger physiological changes like rapid heartbeat, tensed muscles, and raised blood sugar level. When angry or sad, we may lose control and speak impulsively, regretting our words later as they cannot be taken back. Communication breakdowns can damage relationships, but reconciliation is only possible through further communication. Our self-concept, or how we perceive ourselves, strongly affects intrapersonal and interpersonal communication. Having a positive self-concept gives us strength and a sense of worth, as our past experiences shape how we feel about ourselves and react to others. In intrapersonal communication, internal stimuli and external stimuli are received through nerves. The received stimuli are processed, prioritizing the most important ones for further transmission. The processed information is transmitted through nerves to the brain, generating internal feedback. When speaking publicly, feedback occurs regarding facial expressions, nerves, and unintended utterances. This internal feedback prompts adjustments to present a more natural demeanor to others, reflecting the process of intrapersonal communication mirrors interpersonal communication. An individual's intrapersonal communication is crucial for any interpersonal situation. Intrapersonal means developing habits to understand oneself and build self-confidence, understanding self-concepts like self-esteem, self-actualization, and self-motivation. Developing confidence from within reflects on personality and interpersonal interactions, leading to better, more effective communication in various settings. Please stay tuned for more summary videos.